You just like to study a subject matter. It takes some time, takes little endeavor to associate with person who knows the thing rightly. In this way we can understand God also. Just like we understand so many science, so many arts by patience, then that is Rupa Goswami's advice. Nischayat dhaijya. Nischayat dhaijya. Dhaijya means patience. You have to learn patiently. Nischayat dhaijya. Tat karma pravartana. Sato vitte sadhu sange sarabhi bhakti prasiddhati. So, if we follow the instruction, tat karma pravartana, as it is prescribed in the Shastras, as it is instructed by the spiritual master, you have to learn everything through the spiritual master. You cannot understand directly, that is not possible. Just like if you purchase one medical book and read at home, you cannot become doctor, medical. You have to go through the medical college and professor. Similarly, the Shastra says, tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigacchit. If you want to learn the transcendental science, you must go through the bona fide guru. And Krishna also says, this is Vedic injunction, Krishna also says in the Bhagavad Gita, tad vidhi panipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. One has to approach a person who has seen God. Tattvadarshina. How God can be seen? Tattvadarshina. Tattvadarshina, one who knows the truth. Truth means how to see. Pasyanti jnana chakkusha. By the eyes of knowledge. Pasyanti jnana chakkusha. Shastra chakkusha. Not that if somebody challenges, that say, have you seen God? Yes, I have seen. How? Through Shastra. Through Shastra. God reveals. You cannot see Him, God comes before you. Just like Krishna was, here is God before you, but you cannot understand. Unless we are advanced in Krishna consciousness, we think, what is this? A statue, a stone, and He is God? Yes, He is God. Otherwise, why we are spending so much money, wasting time? No, here is God. But how you can see God? Premanjana charita bhakti vilochane. You have to make the eyes to see God. Otherwise God is everywhere. So, we may ask that if God is everywhere, why you are worshipping an idol? He is not idol, He is God. But He is seeing idol. Unless he has developed love for God, he cannot see. But it is, God is there, but because our eyes cannot see the spirit at the present moment, our dull material eyes, just like you are spirit soul, I am spirit soul, your father is spirit soul, your mother is spirit soul, but are you seeing the spirit soul? When the spirit soul goes away, you crying, my father is gone. Why father is gone? He is lying on the bed. You have seen the coat, pant, hands, legs, that is there. Why you say God? No, he is gone. So we cannot see the spirit soul even of our father and mother. How can you see God? The Supreme Spirit. Therefore, God comes before you just like stone which you can see. It is to favor you. God is everything. So in this way we have to understand God, Krishna. And if anyone understands, then he becomes immediately fit for going back to home, back to God. Tattadeham punarjanma naiti mameti kaunteya. Janma karman samedidvam jo janati tattva. So, therefore, we require good association. Sadhu sadhya tato sadhu sangha ato bhajana kriya tato anartha nivittisya tato nishtha tato ruchi tato bhava sadhuka namayam premna pradurbha. You cannot develop love of Godhead in 1 second. You can, provided you are so sincere and God is very much pleased upon you. He can give you immediately. That is possible. But that may be some rare cases. Ordinarily, this is the process. Sadhu sadhya tato sadhu sangha. Just like we have come here in this temple, you have got some faith, all of us. That is called sadhya, sadhu sadhya. There are many 100,000 in this quarter. Why they are not coming? This is the beginning. We have got some faith, sadhya. You have come. Sadhu sadhya, tato sadhu sangha. And if you continue what we are doing, we are making the association to take lessons from these Vedic literature. This is called sadhu sangha. In the drinking shop we make one kind of association, in the restaurant we make one association, in the clubs we make some association, different places. So here is a place, here is also association, it is called sadhu sangha. Association with devotees. Sadhu sadhya tato sadhu sangha. And if one is mature, then he wants to execute devotional service, bhajana kriya. And as soon as there is bhajana kriya, the unnecessary nonsense things will disappear. No more illicit sex, no more intoxication, no more drinking, no more gambling. Finished. When anartha nivittisya, all these rascal habits are gone, then nishtha, then form faith, not to be agitated. Tato nishtha, tato ruchi, then taste. You cannot live outside this camp. Taste has changed. Tato nishtha, tato ruchi, tatha shakti, then attraction. Then bhava. Bhava means ecstasy. Krishna. Then there is love. There are different stages. So, this real religion is how to love God. That is real. Dharma. Jato bhakti rasa. Sabai pumsang paro dharma. There are different kinds of dharma, religious system. But real religious system means how you have learned to love God. That's all. Nothing more. No ritualistic ceremony, no formula, nothing. If your heart is always crying for God, that is perfect religion. That is perfect religion. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sunnaitam jagat sarvam. Oh, without Krishna I am feeling the whole world is vacant. Vacant, yes. So we have to come to that state. Of course it is not possible for all of us, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed us how to become first religious person. That is, to feel always, oh, without Krishna everything is vacant. Sunnaitam jagat sarvam govindam virahena me. That is dharma. That is dharma. So, the Vishnu Duta is tasting these Jamadutas, whether he understands what is the meaning of dharma. Dharma we cannot create. Dharma is neither Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, this dharma, that dharma. They may be some sectarian understanding. But real dharma means how you have learned to love God. Thank you.